Now you will hear a short conversation about helping at home. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Mom, can I play with my friends now?
Not yet, Leo. Did you remember to clean your room?
Oh no, I forgot. It's still a little messy.
Yes, it is, and your toys are on the floor. We talked about helping around the house.
I know, I'll do it now. What else do I need to do?
After your room, can you please help me with the dishes? They're in the sink.
The dishes too? That's a lot of work.
It's important for everyone to help. When you finish, you can play.
Okay, Mom. First my room, then the dishes.
Good boy. It won't take long if you start now.
All right, I'm going to clean my room first, then the dishes.
Thank you, Leo. I appreciate your help.
What is the conversation mainly about? What does Leo need to do after cleaning his room? Now you will hear a short conversation about class pet. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hi, Mark. What do you think about a class pet?
Oh, that's a good idea, Sarah. What kind of animal?
Maybe a hamster? They're cute and small.
Hamsters sleep all day, and they can be hard to hold. How about a fish?
A fish, that's a great idea. They are quiet and easy to take care of. We just need a tank and food.
Yes, and we can watch them swim. It's calming. I think a fish would be perfect for our classroom.
I agree. We should tell Mrs. Davis tomorrow. She will like the idea, I hope.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why does Mark think a fish would be a good choice for the class pet? Now you will hear a short lecture about pandas. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone! Today, let's learn about a very special animal, the giant panda. Pandas are famous for their black and white fur. They are very cute. Where do pandas live? Giant pandas live in the mountains of central China. It's a cold and rainy place, but it has lots of bamboo forests. These forests are very important for pandas. Why? Because bamboo is almost all they eat. A panda eats bamboo for many hours every day. They eat the leaves, the stems, and even the shoots of bamboo. They need to eat a lot of bamboo to get enough energy. Sometimes, very rarely, a panda might eat a small animal or some fruit, but bamboo is their main food. So, pandas live in China, and they love to eat bamboo.
What is the talk mainly about? According to the talk, what do pandas eat most of the time? Now you will hear a short lecture about earthquakes. Listen carefully. Questions will appear after the audio ends.
Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about earthquakes. An earthquake is when the ground shakes. But why does it shake? Well, our Earth's outer layer is not one solid piece. It's made of many large pieces, like a puzzle. We call these pieces tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but very, very slowly, just a few centimeters a year. They float on a softer, hotter layer inside the Earth. Sometimes these big plates push against each other, or they slide past each other. When they do this, a lot of pressure builds up. It's like pushing two big rocks together. Eventually, this pressure becomes too much, and the plates suddenly slip. This sudden movement releases a lot of energy, and this energy travels through the ground as waves. These waves make the ground shake, and that's what we feel as an earthquake. So earthquakes happen because Earth's big plates move and rub against each other.
What is the talk mainly about? Why does the ground shake during an earthquake?